for special performances. Let us all explore with grade 1. Are you ready for the excitement?
Mom, Dad, where are we going this year for vacation? Shall we plan somewhere abroad? I prefer Australia. Wow, Mom, Australia is an island. And do you know it has UNESCO World Most Heritage Site in the Sydney Opera House? My son, how do you know about this? Dad, I learned about UNESCO World Most Heritage Site in my school. Hats off to your school. Let me book the tickets. Welcome to Australia. My name is Mr. Smith. Let me take you all on the tour. That way, it becomes both educational and entertaining. I have some more friends here to tell you more. Come on, friends. Australia's continent, a country and an island too. Australia is in the southern hemisphere. It is the world's largest island surrounded by Indian, Southern and Pacific Oceans. It has over 24 million people and the capital city is Canberra. The main language is English and the currency is the Australian dollars. Thank you. But what about our original people? About in the heart, first people of Australia, they also call Torres Strait. Their culture is border 50,000 years old. They do dot painting, play the digital and use the boomerang and spear. Wow! What about the animals? Have you heard of creatures like wombat, wallaby, and thorny dragon, and many species of birds? Australia has unique animals like kangaroo, koala, and platypus. What all top things we see in Australia? Come on, let's go. The greatest barrier reef, the world's largest coral reef, and it's a very important part of ecosystem, and it is home to 350 species of coral, over 1,500 species of fish. Uluru Islands rock, a huge, large rock and world red rock sacred to the Aboriginal people, and it is 1,110 feet tall. Sydney famous for the Harbour Beach and Opera House. Kakadu National Park full of nature and Tamament Mounts. The Bengal range of formations on the west coast. And now, tell us about the Sydney Opera House. Yes, here are the facts. None more iconic than Sydney with its harbour bridge and beautiful opera house. The opera house is in Sydney Harbour near the sea. Its roof looks like big white sail or shells. It is opened in 1973, more than 50 years ago. Inside, people enjoying music, dance, theatre and opera. Architect was Jan Hudson from Denmark. It has over 1 million tiles on the roof. At night it shines with colorful lights. It is a UNESCO World Most Heritage Site like the Taj Mahal. Yes, and the Sydney Opera House is my favorite. Wow, no wonder it is called the wonder of architecture site. Australia is full of beauty, animals and amazing people. Come on, let me take to the opera house for a dance show. Today our assembly theme is Santiniketan, a beautiful place in West Bengal, India. This is where Santiniketan is located in India. Do you know the name Santiniketan means abode of peace? Maharishi Rabindranath Tagore, the father of Rabindranath Tagore, founded it. Later, Rabindranath Tagore established the Vishwa Bharati University here, which became a world-famous center for learning. Rabindranath Tagore created Santiniketan as an open and nature-based learning center.
Santiniketan celebrates many festivals like Pouch Mela, Vasanta Utsav and Nandan Mela with joy and colors.
Tagore's ideas of universal brotherhood, peace and creative learning have influenced education worldwide.
Why did UNESCO inscribe Santiniketan for its World Heritage List? Now I request Adna, Kesia, Joan and Nishant to share more about it.
Did you know that Santiniketan was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site on 17 September 2023?
Yes, UNESCO chose Santiniketan because it's very special for many reasons.
First, it was founded by Rabindranath Tagore, a Nobel Prize winning poet and visionary. He believed education should blend with nature.
Then there is a Vishwa Bharati University started in 1921. It welcomed students from all over the world.
Santiniketan has a unique teaching style and classes are held under the trees, and there is a big focus on art, music and open-minded learning.
The place is also famous for its beautiful buildings like Kala Bhavana and Sangeet Bhavana, decorated with murals, sculptures by great artists.
Santiniketan has a rich cultural legacy. Famous people like Mahatma Gandhi, Satyajit Ray visited here, making it a place where many cultures meet. UNESCO protects Santiniketan because it is important for the whole world. It stands for peace, creativity and friendship among nations. Thank you.
Born on 7th May 1861 in Calcutta, he wrote many poems, stories and songs. He won a Nobel Prize for his book Gita Jali. He also started Vishwa Bharat University, Santiniketan. He loved nature, children and our country very much. Thank you. Thank you, Jaden. Now I invite Sarvesh.
Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I load my little boats with truly flowers from our garden and launch my boat and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boat. Good morning, children. Today we will learn from the wonderful world around the trees, birds and fresh air. Sir, look at those tall trees. Why do their leaves change shapes? Trees have different shaped leaves to adapt to the environment and get the most sunlight.
Hey, I hear birds are singing. What are they saying?
Birds use their songs to talk to each other, sometimes to warn of danger or to find friends. Wow, the breeze feels so cool. Does it help plants grow? Yes, the breeze carries pollen and fresh air, helping plants and animals stay healthy. I see some ants. Let us work very hard. What are they doing? Ants work together to gather food and take care of their home. Then how we work as a team in class. Being outdoors, me feel very happy and I'm curious to learn more. That's wonderful. Nature makes learning exciting and fun. Let's keep exploring together and conserve the nature. Thank you. Welcome to Britto's Academy channel. Today we are setting off on an amazing adventure to one of the most magical places in the world, Petra. And guess what? I am not exploring alone. My friends are here
with me to share the story. Are you ready, team? Are you ready? Let's start with the basic. What in the world is Petra?
Petra is the word of Jordan. A long time ago, it was a very busy place where traders came from many lands.
Exactly. Traders carried spices, silk, and treasures through Petra. It was like a giant marketplace between east and west, the hidden city. Now, Petra wasn't easy to find. Who can tell us why?
Britto was a hidden city because it's surrounded by tall mountains. People had to walk the narrow path called Sikh to reach it, the Petra.
Look at this, just like the Sikh, the secret passage that suddenly opens up to the wonder of Petra, the Rose City. Petra is another beautiful name. Who knows?
Petra is also called Rose City because its building made of pink color stone. In the sunlight, they shine like roses.
Wow, a whole city is glowing like roses. Can you imagine how stunning it looks like in the sunset? Most cities are built with bricks or wood, but Petra's different, right?
Petra is not built with bricks. The people long ago carved their palaces, houses, temples directly into the mountain.
Can you believe it? They carved the entire city out of rock. It's like turning into a mountain into a masterpiece. And here's Petra Superstar. What is called?
The most famous building in Petra is called Treasury. It looks like a grand palace with tall pillars, all cut from stones.
Yes, the treasury is so iconic. It's been in movies. But trust me, if you see in real life, your jaw just drops. But Petra isn't just the treasury. What else is here?
Petra also has a big theatre where people watch shows and tunes. Where kings were buried. It was once home to over 20,000 people.
Imagine watching a play here thousands of years ago. And yes, Petra was once a huge living city. Look at that energy. Just like Petra's people will celebrate with joy and togetherness. Petra's protected by the whole world. Can anyone tell us why?
Petra is UNESCO Heritage Site. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. That means it is very special. The whole world helps to protect it.
That's right. When we protect our history, we have to protect our future too. So, what can Petra teach us?
Petra teaches that humans can create amazing things when they work together. We should love history and protect such places.
Beautifully said. Petra shows us the power of teamwork and creativity. And now let's ride the Petra way. Ready, team?
Yes! Petra is the Rose City of Jordan.
Perfect. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep on exploring. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I really enjoyed it. Hope you all enjoyed as well. And as Vice Principal told, we are bringing them to meet the global world. So that I can say. And indeed, I learned today the UNESCO site. I know only Santiniketan, but I'm not sure it's a university or school. I came to know it is a school. Special thanks to all the teachers and Vice Principal. Amazing management that has taken effort to train the teachers and the students. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy to be here. My daughter is just sitting just right here, and this is her first year with St. Britto's, and I'm very happy that I put her here, and I'm very happy that she's also like coming up, and we never know that she's very good at public speaking, to be frank, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, and have a nice day.